Hello friends, welcome to Ayurvedic channel. Today we will know benefits of eating bitter gourd. Apart from bitter gourd juice and fruits, its leaves are also beneficial. Consuming it cures stomach related problems. It also cures the problem of stones. Therefore, it should be consumed regularly. Apart from eating bitter gourd, drinking its juice on an empty stomach is also beneficial, but only fresh bitter gourd juice should be consumed. Bitter gourd also cures ear pain. If you keep pouring 4 to 4 drops its juice in the ear, it provides relief from ear pain. Drinking a glass of bitter gourd juice daily destroys the cells that cause pancreatic cancer. This happens because the anti-cancer components present in bitter gourd stop the digestion of glucose in the cells that cause pancreatic cancer, due to which the power of the cells is lost and they are destroyed. Due to lack of appetite, the body does not get complete nutrition, which creates health-related problems. Therefore, drinking bitter gourd juice daily keeps the digestive system healthy and increases appetite. For similar Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to channel.